I have a 11-year-old with Down syndrome. My husband and I moved here from Memphis, and my son's teacher approached me because she said, well, we both agreed that there was a lack of resources for people with Down syndrome in Middle Tennessee. And so she said, we need to do something to change that.
For the past 2 years, Melissa Wanger has been working in a very special and unique full-time job. Her compensation has been paid to her on November 2nd when Gigi's Playhouse opened her doors. Her bonuses came almost every day when she connects with a family whose new baby brings joy, fear, and question, and she plays a role in welcoming, consoling, and encouraging them. Gigi's Playhouse is a Down Syndrome Achievement Center that is represented nationally in 16 different cities, and Nashville is proudly boasts that they are the sweet 16th Gigi's Playhouse. Melissa has been part of the board in Nashville since its inception, and with the help of other tireless board members and volunteers, Gigi's will provide educational and therapeutic services to individuals with Down syndrome of all ages. And the best part is that all of these services are completely free to families. We thank Melissa for her vision, dedication, and passion over the years.
People with Down syndrome are just amazing. They teach you so much about compassion and patience and understanding, and I get so much more from my relationship with people with Down syndrome than they give to me. So they're just amazing people.
So very rewarding.
Very rewarding, very rewarding, yeah. We'd like to invite the community to come out and see it. We are at, 4926 Thoroughbred Lane. And anybody that wants to either volunteer, support, if you have a child or an individual family member with Down syndrome, please come and see the Playhouse. It's such a happy, positive, fun place where all of this learning is taking place at the same time. So please, anybody is welcome to come in at any time and see it. We're open daily from 9 to 2, and then we have programs on the evenings and weekends. 9 to 3.